Hello, everybody. It is Cheree, your favorite lender. Hope everyone had a happy Memorial Day weekend. We are back to the business of real estate and helping you get into that home. So, one of the questions that we're often asked is, hey, I want to buy a $500,000 house or a $300,000 house or, $700,000 house. What kind of credit score do I need to have? So, for this video, because we are in the Metro DC area, I'm going to use the number $500,000. But really, your credit score for any, well, the supermajority of loans, anything from 580 plus, you can qualify for a mortgage. So 580 plus. Preferably, though, you're at a 620 plus, 620 plus. So you want to be at a 620. We do have people who are like, hey, I think I'm out of the game because I have a 640 or a 660. That's not true. You can get into a home with those credit scores. So anything above a 720, though, is seen as like really good credit. So you do want to balance out. Your credit score with understanding that the better your credit is, the better the terms you're going to get. But what I don't want you to do is wait so long with regards to fixing your credit that you miss out on the benefits of home ownership. So, again, anything 580 plus, you can get a home. 620 plus is preferable, and super preferable is 720 plus. Okay. Now, today is May 28th, 2024. And I just want to give you an idea of a really quick, rough number here. I'm going to give you a range for a $500,000 house, considering that you may put 3% down on that house. You're going to be looking at a payment of $3,200 to $3,475. So you do need to make sure that you are able to feel comfortable with that payment, and that is just your principal and interest. So just being aware of those numbers. But understand that those numbers by themselves don't tell the complete story. We are also going to look at your income, and we're also going to look at your debt as well as you are thinking about purchasing a home. So, again, your credit score is one piece of it. 580 plus, you can get into a home. Preferably, you're at 620 plus because then you'll have more options, and even more options, or better terms, I should say, if you're anything above a 720. But don't say I'm at a 700 or I'm at a 660, therefore I cannot purchase a house, because that is not true. You can absolutely purchase anything above a 580. Understand that your credit, the types of items you have on your credit, does have an impact on your credit score. Also understand the amount of money that you have on your credit cards can make an impact. Here's something I don't want you to necessarily be as concerned with. That's your student loan debt. Text me 703-951-4419 if you want to have a conversation, you want me to take a look at your specific application, but don't let student loan debt get in the way. There are options out there for you with regards to being able to get into a home. But for all of my people who are here, and of course, please like the video, just know 580 plus credit score can get you into a home. Preferably, you're at 620 plus because that gives you more options. And you do have more favorable terms based on your credit score. So if you're at a 720 plus, that's even better. All right. So remember, again, we're looking at your income, we're looking at your debt, we're looking at the types of loans, the type of debt on your credit, all of those things count towards you getting a loan. And final thing I will say is this is the final thing I will say. If you are self-employed, don't let that stop you. There are a lot of great loans out there for self-employed people, for people who are 1099s, your gig workers, my cosmetologists, people like that. We do have programs available for you to get into homes. So that is it for me. I will see you tomorrow for another discussion about getting into your home. Thanks so much, and I'll see you then. Bye.